I think I was just excited to experience Bali in general. Oh my God, we're in the middle of the jungle.
The way that it combines an immersion in Balinese culture with an understanding that is rooted in regenerative and sustainable living.
It just sounded like a great learning experience.
We want to create a flourishing community of learners, making the world sustainable, and in that process, connecting them to themselves and others and the world around them.
So you don't need like swim because we just float, enjoy the coral.
In the nature, it's like limitless, boundless classroom where the student can experience what they want, what they learn, and that's the fun part about having the nature as the classroom.
Go through the community like that, whether or not that's a full scope of the community of Bali, but just to get to see a snippet of that place was phenomenal.
Living your life, being as unique and funny and creative as you can.
I can see a lot of reconnection between themselves, others, and the nature, and I've seen a lot of beautiful friendship happen during those 10 days.
I think they're really learning a lot of things that are going to impact them.
I hope they find hope that healing the earth is not a difficult word, because at Green Camp we provide them with a simple way, simple choices that they can make in everyday life to help to heal the earth.
So I want to bring back the being more present in my life and soaking in all the minor details that, I don't know, I take for granted every single day. So.
When you come to Green Camp, and on the first day, we plant a seed, which some of you probably don't realize, but we hope that seed is being cultivated, is being germinated every single day throughout your camp. Hopefully, when you go back to wherever you come from, you look after that seed and you flourish that seed and allow that seeds to grow, covering yourself, covering your neighbors, covering your schools and your community, and eventually the world. And that seeds we call seeds of impact.
Booyah!